Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be exploring Class 8 Maths Chapter 11, Mensuration. Now, let me just get that off. Okay, now let's recall a little bit of stuff. So the area that we learned in Class 7, square is side times size, side rectangle is L into B is length into base, right? Triangle is half BH, meaning B is the base, H is that, and half of that because it forms a quadrilateral if you do it double. Then we've got circle. Circle is pi r square. As the wait, just a second. Let me rub this out and explain it better. So, in a circle we have got pi r square, which is the area, and for the perimeter we have got 2 pi r. Okay. Now parallelogram is b into h, meaning if I draw a parallelogram here, so this is our height and this is our base, so we just do h into b or b into h, any way you like to think of it. Let's rub all that out. Oh, brought back the bad ones. Let's rub that out and move on. Now trapezium. Trapezium has some area things too. So the area of a trapezium is half A times B times H. Now A is our side and B is our base times height, which is our, if we draw a trapezium, this is going to be our height, which forms a 90 degree like that. Okay. Now our rhombus. What is the area of a rhombus? So if you have a rhombus, wait, let me choose the ink to shape option and then do this. Wow, looks so much better. Now let's draw our diagonals, because in rhombus sometimes it can be long like that or something like that. So we want it to, the diagonals are going to guide us better than the sides. So we do half d1 times d2. So our diagonal 1, which is d1, and our diagonal 2, which is d2. D meaning diagonals. Then we've got a formula of any quadrilateral is going to be half d h plus h2. So meaning if we have a trapezium kind of shape, but you can't really tell if it's a trapezium, right? It needs to be stated, right? So you're gonna divide this into 2 triangles with a diagonal, and then you're gonna take the area of that and add it up together. So that's our formula. Half times diagonal h1 plus h2. Okay? Another way to think of it is half b times h, half b times h. Now they have changed the base to diagonal, because if I draw this is the base of the triangle and the base of, and the diagonal of the quadrilateral. And then they've got h1 plus h2. Okay? Cool with that? Perfect. Now, we're going to be learning about surface area. Surface area is the area of the net. Now, how is surface area different to volume? Now, surface area, this can be our net of a cube, right? This is not too exact, I just drawed it. So that could be our net. But the volume is how much water can it hold. So if you have a cube like that, how much water can it hold? If you pour in some liquid, how much can it hold? Okay, so that's our volume. Now first let's discuss, if I just rub this, first let's discuss the surface area of a cuboid. Now, the surface area is 2lb, L meaning our length, which is a L, this is a L, not a E, LB plus LH plus BH. Okay, remember this, LB plus LH plus BH. B is our width kind of stuff, and then our H is obviously our height. Then we've got lateral area. Now lateral area is the area of the net excluding the sides. not the sides, the up and down. Okay, so if you have so our lateral area is going to be 2h in brackets L plus B. So that's our lateral area. Now our volume for a cuboid is L times B times H. And answer should be in meter cubed, because when you have not solid shapes, the 2D shapes, you put it in meter square. So when you've got another dimension to care about, you're gonna put it in meter cubed. Okay? Now our cube. So what is our cube? The surface area of our cube is 6s square, because we're taking s as the sides. So there are 6 sides, so we add those 6 sides up. We multiplied those 6 sides up. 6 times is square. Okay? Then we've got lateral surface area. You take out 2 sides, which is the up and the down. So it's going to be 4 side square. Then you've got our volume, which is side cubed. Okay, so side cubed. Just that. Now our cylinder. What is the surface area of our cylinder? The surface area of our cylinder is going to be 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r h, which is going to be that. 2 pi r because we've got 2 circles, right? So 2 pi r h, it is our height, plus 2 pi r square. Okay? Or there's another way to simplify it. It can be 2 pi r in brackets r plus h. Now r is our radius, remember, of the cylinder, because what have you got here? You've got our radius. Okay? And then our height is obviously this, our height. Lateral surface area without the 2 spheres will be 2 pi r h. Nice? Now the volume will be pi r h. So why have we got pi r square h? Sorry, I didn't say the square before, but there is a square, pi r square h. Okay? So it's going to be pi r because there's pi r square is the area of a circle, and you times it by the height. So it's going to go down like pui, 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 and it's going to form the area. With that, we have finished this chapter. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something new, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.